Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about Introduction to Tableau. Tableau is a powerful and fastest growing data visualization tool utilized in the business intelligence industry. It helps in simplifying information into a very easily understandable format. Data analysis is extremely fast with Tableau, and therefore the visualizations created are within the type of dashboards and the worksheets. The information that is created using Tableau is often understood by the professionals at any level in a corporation. For a clear understanding, data analytics in Tableau will be classified into two sections. The first one is developer tools. The tools that are used for development, like the charts or the creation of dashboards, report generation and visualization, fall under this category. Tableau products under this category are Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. The second one is sharing tools. As the name suggests, the objective of the tool is sharing the reports, dashboards, visualizations that were created using the developer tools. Products that represent this category are Tableau Online, Server and Reader. So now let's study all the products one by one. The first one is Tableau Desktop. It contains a rich feature set and allows you to code and customize reports. Right from creating the charts, reports to blending all of them together to make a dashboard, all the mandatory work is performed in Tableau Desktop. It provides connectivity to data warehouse also as other various sorts for data analysis of files. The workbooks and the dashboards are either shared locally or publicly. Based on the connectivity to the information sources and publishing option, Tableau Desktop is assessed into Tableau Desktop Personal. These event features are almost like Tableau Desktop. The personal version keeps the workbook private and therefore the access is prescribed. The workbooks cannot be published online, therefore it should be distributed either offline or in Tableau Public. The second one is Tableau Desktop Professional. It is just about like Tableau Desktop. The difference is that the work created within the Tableau Desktop may be published online or in Tableau Server. Also, within the professional version, there is full access to any or all varieties of the information type. It is best suitable for those that wish to publish their Tableau server. And the last thing is Tableau Public. It is a Tableau version specially built for cost-effective users. By the word public, it means the workbooks created cannot be saved locally. In turn, they must be saved to public cloud, which might be viewed and accessed by anyone. There is no privacy to the files saved to the cloud since anyone can download and access the file. This will be the best for all the individuals who want to find out about Tableau and for those who want to share their data with the overall public. The next one is Tableau Server. The software wants to share the workbooks, visualizations that are created within the Tableau Desktop application across the organization. To share dashboards within the Tableau server, you want to first publish your ad to the Tableau Desktop. However, it is not necessary that the licensed users must have the Tableau server installed on their machine. They solely requires the login credentials with which they will check reports via an internet browser. The safety is high in Tableau servers, and that's much suited to quick and effective data sharing of knowledge in a corporation. The next is Tableau Online. As the name suggests, it is an internet sharing tool of Tableau. Its functionalities are the same as Tableau server, but the information is stored on servers hosted within the cloud, which are maintained by the Tableau group. Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader may be a free tool that provides you to take a look at the workbooks and visualizations that are created using Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public. The information will be filtered, but editing and modifications are restricted. The protection level is 0 in Tableau Reader, as anyone who gets the workbook can view it using the Tableau Reader. Now the question is, how does Tableau work? Tableau connects and extracts the information stored in various places. It can pull the data from any platform imaginable. An easy database like an Excel, PDF to a fancy database like Oracle, a database within the cloud like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure SQL database, Google Cloud SQL, and various other data sources is extracted by the Tableau. The data from the Tableau desktop is published to the Tableau server. This can be an enterprise platform where collaboration, distribution, governance, security model, automation features are supported. With the Tableau server, the tip users have an improved experience in accessing the files from all the locations, be it a desktop, mobile, or email. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you are looking for a Tableau consulting services, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.